Sample problem 3.7 says use the information from sample problem 3.6 to determine the mass of nitrogen in a 650 grams of ammonium nitrate. Now I'm going to go ahead and write down what we just calculated from sample problem 3.6. We figured out that we had 35% nitrogen, we had 5% hydrogen, and we had 60% oxygen that made up our ammonium nitrate formula there. Now we know this problem has told me that I have 650 grams of ammonium nitrate, NH4, let me erase that, NH4NO3. And I want to know how much of that 650 grams is nitrogen. So I can take the mass percent and convert that to mass fraction. So I know that 35% of ammonium nitrate is nitrogen. And to turn a percent into a fraction, all you have to do is just divide it by 100%. So that equals 0.35, and that's the mass fraction of nitrogen. Now I take that mass fraction of nitrogen and multiply it by my sample, and that's going to tell me how much of that 650 grams is nitrogen. So I've got 650 times 0.35, and so 228 grams of that sample of the ammonium nitrate of the 650 grams is made up by nitrogen. And that's how you can figure. We could do the same thing for hydrogen. We could do the same thing for oxygen. You just simply have to convert the mass percent into a mass fraction, which is what we did here. Just divide it by 100. And then whatever that mass fraction is, you just multiply that by your sample. And that tells you how much of each individual thing makes up that sample.